Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. We're going to be doing a giveaway in this video, as well as I do have a monthly eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of June. It is the Butter London Natural Goddess palette. I'll put a link for that in the description box down below, as well as my many other giveaways that I have going on. Biggest rule for all my giveaways is you must be a subscriber to my channel. I do check and watch this video in its entirety. And so we're going to be giving away something from the Boxycharm Boxy Luxe June box in here. I don't even know what we're doing yet. I'll be surprised just like you. So like I said, this is the Boxy Luxe box. It comes out every quarter for $50. So for that month, you don't get your base box, which is $25. Instead, you get your Luxe, and I think there's 8 full-size items in there for that $50. They're supposed to be all a higher volume price point, I guess you would say. They're basically supposed to be more expensive items in here. I did just do an unboxing of the June Boxycharm Premium box. I'll put that link in the description box down below. I do have a discount code that'll give you some extra bonus points if you want to check out Boxycharm. It helps you out and kind of helps me out as well. So let's find out what's in here. The first product in here is from a brand I have not tried before. This is from Kylie Cosmetics. It is the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner Foaming Face Wash. You know how I feel about foaming face washes. I've gone into it in the past. Basically, briefly, if you have dry skin, don't use a foaming face wash. That's what I do. It'll take away your natural oils, make your face even drier. It's perfect for you guys who have oily skin, but for those of us on the dry skin side, it's not. Foaming face washes aren't that good for you. So this, what it says is our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil, packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses the skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. Retails for $24. I do love the bottle, it's really pretty. So I think I'm going to be giving this one away because it's just not going to work for me. But let's get into some of the other items to find out if we're going to be doing that one in this video or not. Oh, I do have version number 11 on here. And this is Purlisse. Ooh, I've been loving a lot of Purlisse products lately. This is the Purlisse Beauty Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. Mine is in the shade Fair. So hopefully that'll be a good shade. Retails for $35. And Complexion Perfection for gorgeous matte meets dewy finish. Your multitasking beauty balm glides on like a tinted moisturizer with all the age-defying coverage and sunscreen benefits of a foundation and BB cream. I'm excited for this one because I love a dewy finish for my foundation and I love tinted moisturizers. So did have a safety seal that I just took off. I'm really hoping that this is a good color. Here it goes. I put way too much on my hand, but it's blending in pretty nicely. Might be a tad light. Let me take off my watch and you can kind of see what I'm talking about by light. So I mean, it stops kind of right here. So see how the rest of my skin is just a little bit darker. But I think in the winter that will be a perfect color for me. Next we have from Tula Skincare. It's their Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This eye balm stick delivers a lit from within, glowy white, instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in lines around the eyes. Yes, yes, please. You'll feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized so you can glow and get it. Retails for $28. Here's what this looks like. And then there, it's kind of a really light blue is your stick. I'm obviously not gonna put any on right now over the makeup, but I am excited about this one. Next we have from Tarte. It is their Tarteist Pro Amazon Clay Palette. Retails for $49. Prepare for an expression explosion. Bring passionate about pigment. The sequel, the OG Pro Palette came to play. This rich, vibrant 20 shade superstar was formulated to celebrate all forms of art and expression. It's ready to rock your world with the remix yourself. Here's what this looks like. One of the shades is broken just a little bit, but it's bummed because I was gonna put this in. I started setting stuff aside for when we hit 1,000 subscribers, so help us get there. Got a huge giveaway going on and I was gonna throw this in with it. I have another big eyeshadow palette that I've already got set aside for it, but I was gonna throw this in as well. I don't know if you can see, but it's right there, just on the corner. So it's just a little bit, it's nothing too bad, but I don't really want to give away something that's broken to you guys. And it's not even, I don't know, worth telling the Boxycharm about because it's so small of a thing. Let me know what you guys think I should do. Or if, I can always keep this palette and do like multiple looks for it for you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you think I should do with this one. But nonetheless, it is a very beautiful and pretty palette. From Echo Martin is the Goddess Duo. Treat yourself to a luxurious and aromatic self-care ritual. Take time to replenish every day and let yourself be soothed by the benefits of aromatherapy. Diffuse throughout the day, blend with a carrier oil, or use as a natural perfume, or add a few drops to your bath to unwind. I do have a diffuser that I love the orange scent in there. And it just makes me feel more energized. So this retails for $40. So it does have the woman's blend in here as well as the calm and distress blend in here. So it's interesting that they've started putting kind of more of what I would consider lifestyle items in their boxes. They mainly been in the past beauty and skincare. By Billion Dollar Brows is the charcoal 5-piece brush set. Retails for $55. These vegan and cruelty-free and synthetic brushes are charcoal infused for an antimicrobial effect, allowing for a flawless makeup and eyeshadow application. So you've got the contour brush here, and I kind of, they put a contour brush in the premium box that I got, so I don't know why they put the same basically type of brush in the Luxe box. I know the other one was like a dual-ended one, but still it would have been nice. And one side was the contour side, so it would have been nice to have something a little bit different. So here's the contour one. This one is the powder one, really nice, really fluffy. Here we have a concealer one, it's flat. I do like using a sponge for my concealer. It's just a regular eyeshadow brush. This one I would use for more like packing on an intense color. And here is a highlighter brush. I would actually use this almost as like a small blending brush. So they're okay. I don't know if they're $55 worth okay, but they're okay. Ooh, here's a product I'm super excited about. I've had this before. I think I got it in a Cos box. This is the Malin Goetz Recovery Treatment Oil. And this botanical oil treatment absorbs quickly to nourish the skin and help improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Evening primrose, argan, and jojoba oils help boost hydration. Grapeseed and rosehip oils deliver vitamin C and E and help improve your skin tone. Geranium and borage oils help balance the skin, suitable for all skin types, including sensitive. This retails for $82. And it's amazing, guys. I've tried it. I really, really like it. And I really like the cobalt blue on the packaging. I think is really, really pretty. I do like that because it has the vitamin C in it, that it's not a clear bottle. Just helps them last longer. Finally, this last item is from Bodyography. It is a lip pencil set in Pouty and in Rosewood. Antioxidant lip pencils that glide on like your favorite lipstick with the precise pigment rich color to frame, fill in, and define the lips. Enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E. Retails for this set for $28. Here is your Pouty. Kind of a light mauvey tone pencil, and Rosewood is kind of a darker, almost like a burgundy type color. I don't do wooden pencils that much on my lips, so I think I'm going to save these for a big giveaway for you guys too. So it was a good box. I mean, I think the two products that I'm geeked out the most about are the oil and also the BB cream. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with this guy. Let me know in the comments down below. So as far as the giveaway for this video, I think I'm gonna do the Kylie skin for you guys. Well, I really wanted to try one of their products before, but it's just not gonna work for me, so I'd rather pass it on to one of you guys. So my giveaways are really easy. Like I said before, like this video, watch it in its entirety, and make sure that you are a subscriber. I do all my giveaways on Google Forms, so just fill out the Google form. Make sure to put your YouTube name on there so I can tell that yes, you are a subscriber. I do random number generator when I pick the winner, and I will pin in the comments down below the person's first name and first initial of their last name in the comments so you can tell who won. YouTube is not affiliated with this giveaway. I purchased everything on my own to give back to you guys. I love giving back to you guys. Help to be a little sunshine in somebody's day. It is open internationally, but I'm not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damaged, anything like that for it to get to you. If you want an extra bonus entry, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty, AMA and the letter B. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. Let's have this giveaway go through July 22nd. It's my in-laws' wedding anniversary. And then on July 23rd, I'll go ahead and pick the winner. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Please stay safe out there, and good luck in the giveaway, you guys. I will see you soon. Bye.